Hi guys, welcome to this video about the Keurig K250. It's also called Keurig 2.0. It's one of the newer series, but it's already a couple of years old. So this machine is only about 2 weeks old. It's brand new because we already had one 2 years ago and it broke, and so we had to buy a new one. So why am I doing a video about a coffee maker which is already on the market for 2 years or even longer? So this is always the same thing. People ask me the same thing about other products which are already on the market for a long time. That it has one reason: because manufacturers, they change their products over time. So even when a product is like 5 years on the market, so from time to time they change some things. And this is the case as well with this coffee maker. We were really happy with it for 2 years, and so we decided, even when there are newer coffee makers on the market, we wanted to buy the same thing because we were so happy with it. So the main complaint about the new series is the warm-up time. So I now press the button to heat it up. I'm not 100% sure that it is really super cold or cool down. You can hear it has already started boiling, so maybe it had some remaining heat. I turned it off about 1 hour ago. Maybe there was still some heat inside, unfortunately, but you probably will see that it still takes quite some time to heat fully up. And this is not the main problem. The first heat up, that's quite acceptable. So I would say this was about half time what you can expect when it's really cold. So in the morning, when it's has really cooled down overnight, it takes at least double time, but it's no problem. Usually you can turn it on and leave for something else and come back and make your coffee. But the main thing is actually when you make a coffee and you want to make a second one. Let's say you are two person or more person in your family, and then you want to make more than one coffee. I'm showing to you now. I'm brewing it. So I already had the impression that this takes a little bit longer as with the old Keurig K250, but I don't mind. It's not such a difference. But the main thing is, as far as I can remember, during the brewing of the first cup, it was already boiling some water for the next cup. And I actually never heard this with the new Keurig. Let's see how it develops. So it's about halfway, takes some time. So you can hear that it's not boiling, it's not heating up additional water. So it's almost done. So the container of the water reservoir is actually empty, so no hot water in the backup, and it doesn't heat up. So the brew is complete of the first cup, and then only it starts preheating for the next cup. And this was definitely different with the first coffee maker. I was always hearing that it's preheating during the time when it was brewing the first cup. So now it was quite fast. So yeah, I was telling you that it was there was probably some heat left and from 1 hour before, but I have experienced that it took sometimes much longer than this, and sometimes it was telling me that it's preheating for about 5 minutes or so, and I didn't hear anything. So that's ridiculous. So I mean, the coffee, the taste of the coffee is still the same, the functions are still the same, the measurements are still the same, everything still good, but I actually expect the price to drop a little bit. After 2 years it has still the same price. That's a little bit bad, and I would definitely expect that it at least has same functionality, same quality, same features, and this is not the case anymore. It's really much slower than the old Keurig when you buy it new. So it was the reason why I made this video, to let you know it's the same, but it's slower than the old one. Okay, that's the main difference. Okay, I hope I was able to help you a little bit with that. If you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.